Might be interested in finding statistics separately for different groups. So rather than looking at the mean in total for final percent grade, you might be interested in finding it separately for men and women. To do that, you have to use a command called split file. To do this, you go to Data and then Split File. And then you choose the variable basically that you're interested in analyzing separately. You press Compare Groups and move the variable that the groups are based on into this box. Press OK. And nothing will happen, but down in the bottom right-hand corner of SPSS, you'll see that it says Split by Gender. That means that everything that you do from now on, SPSS will analyze it separately for the groups in the variable gender. So, as an example, if I go to Analyze Descriptive Statistics and Frequencies and I request some basic statistics for final percent grade, then instead of getting the overall statistics, I will get two groups of statistics based on the groupings in gender. So here I have all of the statistics for females and all of the statistics for males. Because you split the file, anything that you do now will be affected by this split. So after you use it, you have to make sure that you turn it off. So to turn it off, you go back into Split File, and then you can either press Reset and then OK, or you can click this Analyze All Cases Do Not Create Groups. Once you press OK, SPSS will no longer say that it's split by some variable, which means that you're OK, you're reset to start a new analysis.